Chasing the highs, girl, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna finally get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Hey gorgeous people, and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all okay. So today I thought I'd share with you an M&S beauty haul. So I love M&S, I love the massive M&S's as well. They have a really good beauty range, clothing range, and I just love going into the massive M&S's. I don't know about anyone else, but I thought I'd pick up a variety of beauty stuff from makeup to body to tanning, and I thought I'd go through the products and give you a little tester of them, show you what I picked up, because I spent £70 in M&S on M&S Beauty. So I thought I'd share with you a few of the products, and I've got some makeup products which I think I'm going to do a makeup tutorial in one of my next videos, show you how the products work, how they look on the skin, and I'm really excited to show you all about that. But let's get straight on into this M&S beauty haul. I hope you're excited, and if you're new here, welcome. My name's Fiona, it's so lovely to meet you. I upload every Sunday with beauty, fashion, lifestyle, with a bit of positivity in there as well. But I hope you're excited for today's video. I picked up some gorgeous bits. I'm really excited to try these in the future as well on a regular basis, and let's get straight on into it. So, if you know me, I have to start off with the skincare products. So this is the Riviera Neroli Hydrating Body Melt by Autograph. It is expertly blended, cruelty-free, plant-based and vegan. Wow, I'm really impressed. The size is 240 millilitres. And then the reason why this appealed to me so much, it's 24-hour moisturisation, and it's a transforming cream to oil formula. Cream to oil. I love a cream to oil formula. It leaves the skin feeling hydrated with a naturally looking glow. Wow. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, Neroli. If you love Neroli, wow, this is amazing. So it hasn't been touched yet, so I haven't even tried it on the skin. I just smelt it and I was like, you're coming home with me. Cream to oil formula, 100%. So let's go ahead and try some of this moisturiser. Oh, it's quite thick. It's quite thick actually when you put your finger into it. Okay. Oh, I love that smell. Spa feeling is definitely giving me spa vibes. That smells lovely. I'm in love with the hydration. It's giving my skin. It's definitely absorbed into my skin straight away. As you can see, I'm a little bit pale on my arms. That was £12.50 for this tub. I love the smell. I love the way it's made my skin feel. It's definitely, it absorbs straight away and gives you sort of like that tacky feeling, like almost, but it definitely went into my skin beautifully. So that is the Hydrating Body Melt, £12.50. I love the smell. I can't wait to use that after I've had a shower or bath. It smells lovely. It smells like I'm in a spa. I feel like it didn't really go too much into an oil. That's just my personal opinion, because I've definitely noticed when something goes from a cream to an oil. If you've tried the Elemis Cleansing Balm, that is an amazing cream to oil consistency because it is a cleansing balm. But I just expected more from what it said. However, I love the smell. The smell has got me. It's definitely given me, I'm in a spa, I love it. £12.50, I don't think that's bad. That's definitely like a pretty good price towards like other brands, and I love the smell. The smell has won it over for me. So next up we have, again, this is the Riviera Neroli Velvet Shower Oil. Okay, this is a 24-hour moisturization, nourishing shower oil that leaves skin feeling velvety soft with its conditioning coconut oil infused formula. Love that. So probably won't be able to test this one out as much, but I can still smell it. Let's open it up. This was again £12.50. Okay, I'm excited to use that in the shower. That smells amazing. So obviously I can't test this one out, but by the sounds of it, a shower oil sounds beautiful. Neroli again, giving me spa vibes. I'm really excited to update you with how this leaves my skin in maybe next Sunday's vlog or video. But yeah, really love this product already just from the scent. I'm really excited for how I'm going to smell coming out of the shower, obviously. And then next up we have the Autograph Gradual Tan. So I really like the sound of this. So this is a velvety touch cream. It gradually builds up a luxe bronze glow, streak free and a quick dry. So I was after a gradual tan that I've not tried before, and I saw this one. So it makes your skin feel healthy, glamorous. It's nourishing, non-greasy formula that glides easily onto the skin to ensure full coverage and perfectly even streak free cover. Designed for daily use to keep skin healthy and moisturised whilst having to build a subtle radiant sun-kissed glow. So to use, massage into the skin daily and gradually build a naturally golden looking tan. So I got it in the medium to dark. I was going to get it in the light to medium, but I just thought, you know, I'll go for the medium dark. So I'm wondering if I can try this just with my hand. Okay, so it comes out a cream. I thought it was going to come out a colour. Wow, okay, let's just put it on the same areas, because obviously my arms do need tanning. Okay, so it does smell like tan. Let's just say that. It smells like tan. It smells like tan. It's nice. It smells like something I've smelt before. Like the, is it the Dove? The Dove one? It doesn't smell too bad now I've rubbed it in actually, but I'm rubbing it into this arm. It doesn't smell that too bad actually. It definitely reminds me of the Dove Gradual Tan. Not too bad. I'm going to see how that arm develops. I've got to do the other arm, otherwise that's just going to be like a medium gradual tan arm and not the other one. I'm really surprised that it comes out like a cream. I just thought because of the packaging, I was like, yeah, I'm expecting it to come out already tanned. I would have to wash it off, but then again, it is a gradual moisturizer. For some reason I felt surprised that it wasn't going to be a moisturizer, and like I thought it'd be a little bit tinted, but just because of the packaging it just looked like it'd be a tinted moisturizer. And yeah, I'm really excited to see that develop and just pop a little bit on my hands. The one thing I like about gradual moisturizers, you don't have the fear of it getting onto your hands. So I'm really impressed with that. That one was, how much was this? This was, oh, this was £7.50, so this was on offer. So there was quite a few offers in actually. I think it was 3 products, you get so much off, and yeah, £7.50. So not too bad for a gradual moisturiser. I'm gonna have to compare that to how much my other ones normally cost. I thought that was okay for 200ml. So yeah, I'm really excited to see how this wears. I'm gonna do a full body of this tonight, see how it looks, and give you hopefully an update on my Instagram stories. If you don't already follow me on there, go check me out. It's the same name, fionajanecoles, and you can keep updated with more like my fashion over there, and skincare and recipes I'm doing a lot more over there. So really excited to see how this wears, and I'll keep you updated on that one. Moving on from skincare, we have makeup, which is a majority of the rest of this haul. So I really wanted to go into M&S to find this foundation. This is the Luminosity Radiant Skin Foundation. This is in the shade MW51. I really wanted to go in and find this because I've seen it all over TikTok. I'm really excited to see how it looks on the skin. So I'll give you a little tester. So this is the packaging, very plain and simple. Okay, let's see how this looks. So there's the packaging. Very simple, sleek design, and there's the foundation. So this is a lightweight, it said medium coverage consistency, so it's meant to be like sort of like a tinted moisturizer foundation. Okay, wow. Okay, so you can see the difference. Wow, that is lovely. It's definitely given me that radiance glow from within, which it states on the packaging. Wow, I feel like I need to do my other hand. Oh, I've just realised that the moisturiser is sort of rolled. You know how it does that weird rolly thing? We're going to have to see what I think about that moisturiser over time. But yeah, that's gone lovely into my skin. I'm really excited for this foundation. So next up we have a concealer. So I picked up this concealer because I was thinking about doing a full face of makeup with M&S Beauty. This is the shade 15 to 18. Again, very sleek packaging. Okay, it's a pen, and this is the shade. Very nice shade. I definitely enjoy the packaging. It's just like a clicky pen. So love that. Again, blends beautifully, and then I've got the foundation there as well, so you can see where it's been. And then if I blend it in together, can't even see it. Lovely. I really like that. So that was actually £10 for the concealer in the shade 15 to 18. I feel like the concealer shades were very confusing because online they have names and then in store they're numbers, but you still have to order them in numbers online, where it says shades on like the chart of shades, which you expect to pick one and be like, yeah, I'll order that, but then it says 12 to 18 or something when you're checking out, and you're like, what one have I ordered? So I'm glad that I went in store for that one. It was only £10. I think that's really good for a concealer. Next up, I've got the pressed powder. So this is the Shine Defense pressed powder. It's smooth, it's a natural finish and minimises shine. So looking in here, again, very sleek packaging. I feel like that moisturiser's just gone everywhere. So this is the shade. It is a light to medium. I love the shade. Very beautiful. I'm really excited to put this in my handbag and have this as my everyday powder. But yeah, that moisturiser is just very rolly. Moving on to the powder. Powder's lovely. I'm really excited to use this as well. It's ultra fine, it's lightweight, easy to blend, and gives you a semi-matte coverage with a velvet soft texture, and your skin is left feeling silky and smooth. Really happy with that shade. So it's light to medium, and it sounds like a really nice powder just to have as a touch up in your handbag, in your purse, and that was £12.50. And then the last item, again, £12.50. This is the Invisible Finish Loose Powder. So it's a translucent powder, it's feather light, soft focus, invisible and matte finish. Let's try this out. Whoa. Okay, so that is white. Whoa. I didn't realise it'd come out like that. That has gone everywhere. Okay. I've got a little bit on my thumb, which I will scrape off and try to put on the back of my hand and try and pat that in. Okay, that's definitely mattified down that hand. That has gone everywhere. Okay, so that is very white, so I'm a little bit scared of a flashback on this powder, but it does say it's an invisible finish. I literally have no idea where that grid's gone, because usually they come with, oh, I can see it. So what's happened is, I think it's turned upside down and like left all the powder through. But yeah, £12.50. A little bit nervous for the flashback, but yeah, can't go wrong with a invisible loose powder if that's what it says, and hopefully it does what it says. But that is everything from this haul. So my next video is actually going to be the testing the M&S makeup products. So that is going to go ahead and bring us to the end of this haul. It doesn't feel like that much, however I spent £70 in M&S. £70 on all these products, which I'll keep you updated with and let you know how they are, if they're worth it or not, if you're in your local M&S beauty side and you want to pick up some of these products. I'm excited for the makeup. So my next video is actually going to be a testing these products and testing new makeup video, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed. I can't wait for it. But happy Sunday everyone. Thank you so much if you made it this far. You're amazing. I love you so much, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.